were talked about like they were as sexy as abdominals, a lot more people would work on them, and guess what? A lot more people would have better abs. So footwork is not just about the feet. It's about how the feet coordinate with everything upstairs of it. So as you're doing footwork, where the pressure is on your feet really matters. When you bend in, softening at the hip to allow that joint to fold is important, so that as you press out, you're not thrusting your back or smushing your back. You're maintaining a neutral, natural, supportive curve in your back. That's what matters so much in footwork. And finding little mobility things that happen at the ankles. It matters if you're out on your heels towards your pinky toes, or if you are too far in and collapsing your knees all the way together to touch as you bend in. Working on finding proper alignment really makes a huge difference when you're working on the reformer.